moment I got to know that, okay, you can come back to the office, I was as quick as Shoaib Akhtar to come back.
Feels great coming to office after 2 years and coming to our second home.
It feels absolutely amazing. Miss the vibes. Watching live sports right in front of you.
I was waiting to come back here because you just miss the vibe here, the players, and the environment that it is.
I feel very much happy and excited, and more excited to work with people whom even I haven't met since a year.
Meeting all my friends, colleagues at SI and the banter.
Most what I missed was coming to the office and interacting with my team members.
Mostly तो लोगों के साथ lunch करना.
Coffee.
Being able to sit in the cafeteria, have some gossips.
The entire working, the entire setup, the entire vibe.
Watching matches together and also discussing matches together.
Playing SI games on field and not online.
A scoring team.
I went through COVID as well myself, and even at that time there was a continuous sort of check-in from the office in terms of not just the manager but also the colleagues as well.
The support functions, like be it in terms of our laptops or our day-to-day work, it was really helpful to have a 24/7 support.
The big thing is that none of us lost our jobs, where I know of colleagues and I know of friends who lost their jobs. So I think that's something which SI took care of really well.
With the SI's vaccine drive initiative, it had been very helpful to get vaccinated quickly and join the workforce from office.
I think SI has been really supportive of players in general. For me in person, I think the most important fact was the flexibility of working from home. Having an 8-year-old son doesn't really make it easy. And kudos to Arvind who suggested, if your child jumps in, no worries. He did it on several times and joined several manager meetings as well.
I was expecting to have a lot of cool conversations and chats with people who are fellow sports fans, and that has certainly come true.
I was looking for a company who was equally passionate about sports, so I found SI, and I'm very glad to work with an SI.
The thing with SI is that they just gave me this opportunity to work for IPL, Premier League and stuff like that, things that I've grown up watching.
Since the time I have joined SI, it's been a beautiful journey. I have gotten to be in dynamic roles. I've gotten to do a lot of new things every single day.
I've heard a lot about SI and what they do, and I really didn't know that the office would have a very sporty themed environment. But wow.
My wish for SI is that we all get together like the pre-pandemic times and be in the office together and have a great year ahead.
Come together as a team, as the video bulls that we are, and I wish to see my team, the whole team, in this office.
More projects, more clients, more work and more fun.
New year, new leagues,
new challenges.